Oh, hey, how'd the sales pitch go? They gonna be buying paper from Dunder and Schmifflin? Oh, hey, yeah. Well, I think it went okay. Ryan was 5 minutes late because he had just gone to Starbucks and he likes this apple spice thing that he wanted. He wanted a decaf and he wasn't sure because he gets upset and he just and then when we got there, everything was okay. But Cassidy's laptop needed an update, which took a little bit of time because she couldn't present on their monitor system because it's a little bit like the drivers weren't talking to each other. And then like there was a little bit, it was a little bit distracting because there was a little bit of, in their office there was a little bit of an AC, like we were all sort of like super super cold. And then
Right.
I think that they were interested. I think it kind of went okay, but they said that they were going through a transition right now and they were sort of switching between vendors around and doing a little bit of like crunching some numbers about if they were actually moving away from physical paper. Because of this, they were concerned with some environmental concerns, which I get, which you get, and it seemed like they were having a hard time. I couldn't tell if they were like apathetic or not, but we told them about what we offer, and there was a lot of stuff going through on my head because I just remember what you had said in the way that
Sounds good.
you wanted us to present and be representative of Dunder and Schmifflin. And
Okay.